Hi everybody, this is a review video for third graders. So this time we're doing a chapter 7. This is a matching or non-matching question. So we are supposed to find the information which is not correct in accordance with this table. So the tables above show the top 10 origin countries and the number of international students enrolled in US colleges and universities in two school years, 1979 and 2016. So here it shows the number of students in United States and college and universities, and it shows 2 years, okay, two group of years, 1979 and 2016, and it shows number of each student came from different countries. So the total number of international students in 2016 was over 3 times larger than the total number of international students in 1979. So here we have more than 1 million people here, and we have 286,000 people here. So year 2016 is 3 times larger than 1979. Yes, this is correct, right? And also Iran, Taiwan, Iran, Taiwan, and Nigeria were the top three origin countries of international students in 1979 to 1980. So we have Iran, Taiwan, and Nigeria, top three countries in 1979, which is correct, and among which only Taiwan was included in the list of top 10 origin countries in 1916. So 1916, only Taiwan left, and Iran and Nigeria is gone out of the list of top 10 list, which is correct. And the number of students from India was over 20 times larger than 2016 than 1979. So number of students from India, it became 20 times larger. So here we have 186,000 here, and we have 90,000. So we have more than 20 times larger the number of students, and India ranked higher than China in 2016. However, here India is not ranked higher than China in 2016. So this one is a non-correct information. And South Korea, which was not included among the top 10 origin countries, 1979. So here in 1979, South Korea was not included in top 10, but ranked third in 2016. So here, 2016, South Korea ranked third, right? And although the number of students from Japan was larger in 2016 than 1979, Japan ranked lower 2016 and 2017 than 2017. So here, if we look at the number here, 12,000 Japan, and we have 19,000. So here in this year, they have more number of students from Japan, but in terms of ranking, ranking went down, even though number went up. So this is correct. So number 3 is the answer. So let's go to our next question. So we are supposed to find information which is not correct one. Okay? So the above graph shows how US adults responded when asked if they believed in soulmate by age group in 2020. So this graph shows how adults responded when they were asked if they believed in the soulmate. So in all of the age groups, more than half the people surveyed responded that they believe in soulmate. So more than half of the people in all age group. So we have more than half, more than half, more than half. They all believe in the soulmate, right? With a 45 to 54 age group having the highest percentage of yes answers. So 45, 54 have highest yes in terms of yes answer. Yes, they have the highest, and 18 to 24 age group having the lowest. So here they have 54, which is the lowest, answering the yes they do. So this is correct. And when it came to disbelieving in soulmates, the percentage of people in 25-34 age group was the same as that of the people in the 35 to 44 age group. So here about disbelieving 25 and 35. So 25 and 35 for disbelieving, they have the same number, right? Which is correct. And the percentage of respondents who stated they didn't believe in existence of soulmate was highest in the 18 to 24 age groups. So 18 for 24 age group, disbelieving the soulmate is the highest. So if we check the numbers, yes, they are the highest numbers, and the lowest in the 55 and up age group. So here 55, they are the lowest. Okay, so this is correct. And the percentage of people who said that they didn't know if they believe in the existence of soulmate was below 20% in all age groups. So don't know answers. Don't know answers. They are all below 20 group except 55 and up age groups. So yes, this group is more than 20, but rest of the groups are less than 20, which is correct. So the percentage point gap between the respondents who said they believed in and didn't believe in existence of soulmate was the smallest in the 35 to 44. So they are asking the difference between believes and not believes. And they say that the gap is the smallest in 35 to 40. But here we have a gap between this one and this one is 23, and here is 32, and we have 31, and we have 40, and we have 33. So here it says that the gap is the smallest in 35 to 40 age group, but here this group is smaller. So non-correct answer is number 5. Okay, so let's go to question number 2. Here, the above graph shows the percentage of elderly men and women living independently, alone, or with a spouse only in 2010 by region. So the graph shows percentage of men and women living independently in all around the region. Okay, whether they live alone or whether they live with a spouse only. So globally, 40% of elderly women and 41% of elderly men live independently after age 60. So globally, here we have global, 40% of female, 41% of male live independently globally, which is true. And Africa, Asia, and Latin America and Caribbean had lower percentage of elderly men and women living independently than the world average. So we have Africa, Asia, and Latin America and Caribbean have lower rate than the globally. So they all located lower than here, the global, which is correct. And Europe had the highest percentage of elderly men and women living independently, immediately followed by Northern America. So Europe has the highest point of living independently, female and male, and followed immediately by Northern America, which is true, right? The percentage of elderly men living independently was higher than that of the female counterpart in each of the regions. So elderly man living independently is higher than women. So here here we have in Asia, yes, there's more men. Latin America, more men, almost the same, and America, more men. Here it says that each region, except in Europe. Europe, almost all the same. here and also in Africa, more female live independently than male. So number 4 is not correct information. And the percentage of elderly women living alone was lower than that of elderly women living with a spouse only in each of the region except Africa. So here, female living alone with a spouse and female living independently alone. So everyone is lower. This one's lower, this one's larger, this one's larger, and this one's larger, and this one's larger. Here, Africa, yes, except Africa. In Africa, there are more female living independently alone than the spouse, but rest of the countries, rest of the region, it is true. Therefore, this is correct information. Okay? So moving on to the next question.